everyone, I'm Ramanpreet Kaur and I'm staying in Air Force Station Srinagar since June 2020. Before I move further, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to faculty members of IIMB and the guest entrepreneurs for teaching us business and building our confidence for opening a new venture. The idea of starting a venture of cultivation of asparagus strikes my mind when I was walking across on mesmerizing land of station. I saw a lot of spears of asparagus grown abundantly along the roadside. Though I was aware of this vegetable, but I could not believe my eyes seeing a lot of spears, lot of asparagus growing with no care and maintenance. Asparagus is a plant, or I would say nutrition packed vegetable, which is rich in vitamins and good source of antioxidant, low in calories, and top of it, it's so good and juicy. And list goes on and on and on. And moreover, the roots of this plant is also used as a Ayurvedic medicine and sold by its local name Shatavari. In spite of all its nutritional values, asparagus is not known by a majority of population of India. So its consumption has always been restricted to only 5-star hotels and restaurants and handful of people, whereas asparagus is very common in Western countries. After seeing asparagus in Srinagar, the first question arises in my mind: how come asparagus here in this area? After some research, I found it was Britishers who bought and cultivated asparagus in this area after seeing such conducive and appropriate environmental conditions. Asparagus has some unique quality that it keeps growing year and year after without much care taken. Presently, Himachal Pradesh is the only state which is farming of asparagus in India, whereas China is leading in asparagus cultivation and export, but India still at 69th position worldwide. The prime reason for limited farming of asparagus in India, in spite of having conducive environmental and nutritional and medicinal value, was lack of awareness about asparagus in India. This led me to opt for asparagus cultivation as a venture in Srinagar. So, I'm envisaging a lot of hindrances in terms of land acquisition and government clearances, but I am sure I will find a way out and ensure my asparagus will reach each and every house in India and abroad in near future. Thank you.